Hey, what is up guys? Josh here of YugaTech, and Samsung has just newly announced their latest for their Galaxy A lineup, the Samsung Galaxy A52 and A52 5G. We're gonna be taking a quick look at it, so without further ado, let's get right into it.
Start it up.
With the phone in the hand, you can tell that there was some extra thought put into the design. It's got a matte haze finish that also has a satisfying texture to touch. This also means that it's not going to be a fingerprint magnet, so that's going to be a big plus for those who don't like slapping on cases. The Galaxy A52 comes in three colors: Awesome Blue, Awesome White, and Awesome Black, while the A52 5G will only be available in the last color option. But yeah, it's a whole lot of awesome. You can find the camera module along with the LED flash on the top left side and has this subtle camera bump that we really like. The rounded corners along with the curved edges also make it feel quite good to hold. To help it stand out more, the sides are wrapped in a shiny metallic band that gives it an extra premium look. If you look at the right side, we have your power/sleep button along with your volume rocker keys right above. It comes in the same metallic finish, while on the left side is nice and flush with nothing in this area. At the top, here's where you'll find the SIM tray slot and secondary microphone, while over at the bottom is your Type-C charging port, your primary microphone, the loudspeaker, and thankfully we still get the 3.5mm audio jack on board. The Galaxy A52 is also IP67 rated, so it does have water and dust resistance capabilities. And although this isn't something that you can take inside the pool with you, it can still handle things like heavy rain and water splashes. The front panel sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Infinity O Super AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass for protection. But the highlight here is definitely going to be that 90Hz refresh rate with a screen brightness up to a surprising 800 nits. While the A52 5G will be equipped with a 120Hz refresh rate panel, a feature mostly reserved for the flagship territory. It has some relatively thin bezels, with the bottom being thicker by just a slight amount. The front camera also has a punch hole design right in the middle, and up top you'll find the speakerphone. For cameras, we're getting a quad setup at the rear, specifically a 12MP ultra-wide, a 64MP main, a 5MP macro lens, and a 5MP depth sensor right above the LED flash, while the front boasts a 32MP selfie shooter. The main shooter also comes with optical image stabilization built in, while the telephoto lens is capable of up to 10x digital zoom. We've got 4K video recording on board, and the 30 in-camera scene optimizers help with getting the most optimal shots. We can't wait to get some sample shots on this guy, so stay tuned for our full review. Now powering this device is Android 11 skinned with Samsung's latest One UI 3.0. Apart from being faster, it has a cleaner look to it and has the ability to highlight important information automatically, and also has more customizability and also gives a more holistic experience across the whole Samsung Galaxy ecosystem. Underneath the hood, the Galaxy A52 is packed with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G with an Adreno 618 GPU, while the 5G variant will come with the more updated Snapdragon 750G paired with an Adreno 619 GPU. It also packs in 8GB of RAM and has an internal storage of up to a generous 256 gigs, while the expandable microSD card slot is capable of handling up to 1TB of external storage, which is going to be a godsend for those who keep a lot of files. As for battery life, we're getting a 4500 mAh capacity battery, which is quite impressive given how sleek it looks. It has adaptive power saving features that analyze your routine and are programmed to automatically enter power saving mode whenever needed. For all the features that it has, it's looking to be a value for money device. You're getting a sleek but subtle design, a pretty respectable camera, good battery life, and if you're looking for 5G, you've also got that option here. To know more, stay tuned for our full review. The Samsung Galaxy A52 is priced at 18,990 pesos, while the A52 5G will be sold for 23,990 pesos. But what do you guys think? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Josh, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.